welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how to make this very quick and easy but yet delicious eggplant sauce. You ready? So let's cook. So here we have 2 large eggplants, some fresh tomatoes, habanero pepper, salt, some seasoning to taste, Pomo, scent leaf, onion, crayfish, palm oil, and African oil bean seed, that is ugba, and my people call it ukana. The first thing we are going to do is cut the eggplants into smaller sizes. The skin is kind of hard, so if you steam without dicing, you may end up throwing it out. Once that is done, I'll throw them in a pot, add water, and season with salt. And when the eggplant becomes soft, I'll mash it and set aside. Now the palm oil in my pan is hot enough. I'll add onion and allow it to sizzle for a while. Then I'll go in with the blended tomato and pepper mix. I'll allow the tomato to fry for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then I'll go in with the ugba and seasoning and crayfish. Next, I'll add the mashed eggplants and give the sauce a good mix. After about 5 minutes, I'll add the cooked pomo and scent leaf for extra freshness. And guess what, guys? Our mouth-watering eggplant sauce is ready! This sauce is very traditional and absolutely delicious. Adding scent leaf and ugba takes the sauce to a whole new level. You can pair it with yam, plantain, cocoyam, and sweet potato, and even with rice. Yeah, and rice. Give this recipe a try and let us know the outcome. See you on our next post. Bye.